الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. We continue with the 13th hadith from the compilation of 40 ahadith of Imam Nawawi rahimahullah. In this hadith we read or learn about a very important principle of deen, and that is to love for one's brother or sister that which one loves for oneself. So to have the same degree of love for your fellow Muslim brother or sister with respect to what they achieve, you should have that same degree of love for what you would like for yourself. عن أبي حمزة أنس بن مالك رضي الله عنه خادم رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. رواه البخاري ومسلم. Hazrat Abu Hamza, Anas bin Malik radiyallahu an, who was the special attendant of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, narrates that Nabi alayhi salam said, none of you truly believes until he loves for his brother that which he loves for himself. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother that which he loves for himself. So we find that when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam makes mention that la yu'minu ahadukum, that none of you believes, what does this mean? This does not mean that a person does not have iman. Rather, a person might have the basic iman. He believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He believes in Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. But what is meant here is that the perfection of one's iman, the perfection of one's faith and belief will only be attained when whatever Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is advising us in the hadith comes to fruition. So in this case, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is telling us that your iman will not be perfected. Although you may be a believer, it will not be perfected until you love for your brother that which you love for yourself. Hazrat Abu Hamza, Anas bin Malik, was from the Khazraj tribe. His mother was Sulaim bint Milhan radiyallahu anha, and she brought him, Anas bin Malik, to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam when Nabi alayhi salam made hijrah to Medina, whilst Anas radiyallahu anhu was at the tender age of 10 years old. And she asked Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to accept Anas in his service, to assist him in his tasks. So Anas radiallahu anhu spent a lot of time with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was amongst the last of the Sahaba to pass away in Basra in the year 91 AH. This hadith is telling us to have compassion and love for one's fellow Muslims. In order to do this, a person needs to have a clean and sound heart. And that heart needs to be filled with humility, with mercy, with empathy, and with compassion. When we look at our fellow brothers and sisters, especially when we see that sometimes they are doing something against that which we like, something that outwardly may not be agreeable to our nature, we should look for excuses to forgive these people. And we should try where necessary, if they are doing something wrong, to correct their evils with diplomacy and with compassion, not with a hard heart and being difficult or mean towards them. In addition, what is required is for us to give preference to others over our own comfort and our own desires. And if you look at these particular qualities, you will find that our Salafus Salihin, the pious predecessors, all the way up to the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, this was part and parcel of their character. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr ibn al-As radiallahu an reported that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever loves that he should be kept away from the fire of Jahannam and that he should be entered into Jannah should let his death overtake him while he has iman in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the last day, and he should do to people that which he likes to be done to himself. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us all the tawfiq and the ability to love for our fellow Muslim brothers and sisters that which we love for ourselves. And we all know we love the best for ourselves, so we should love the best for our fellow Muslim brothers and sisters. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.